Have you ever stared at a photo with amazing potential, but lack the technical skills to bring it to life? What if I told you there's a photo editing software that can transform your images with just a few clicks, powered by artificial intelligence that understands exactly what your photos need? Meet Skylum Luminar Neo, the game changer in AI-powered editing that's reshaping how photographers of all levels approach their craft. In today's review, we're diving deep into Luminar Neo to see if it truly delivers on its promise to revolutionize photo editing. With Adobe Lightroom dominating the market for years, many photographers have been locked into subscription models and complex workflows. But Luminar Neo claims to offer something different: powerful AI tools that simplify the editing process while delivering professional results. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype and why it might be the editing solution you've been waiting for. Right from the start, Luminar Neo impresses with its clean, intuitive interface that feels refreshingly straightforward compared to the overwhelming complexity of other editing suites. The dashboard presents your editing journey in a logical left-to-right workflow, with your image library, preset collections, and editing tools all easily accessible. What truly stands out is how Luminar Neo balances simplicity with depth. Beginners can immediately start producing impressive results with one-click presets and AI adjustments, while professionals can dive into advanced layers, masks, and precise control over every aspect of their images. The customizable workspace allows you to organize tools based on your workflow, hiding what you don't need and keeping your favorites within easy reach. This adaptability makes Luminar Neo feel like it was designed specifically for your unique editing style. Whether you're just starting out or have been editing photos for decades, the heart of Luminar Neo's appeal lies in its impressive array of AI tools that handle complex editing tasks with remarkable intelligence. Let's explore how these tools can transform your editing process. Enhance AI is perhaps the most impressive feature for beginners. With a single slider, it analyzes your image and intelligently adjusts contrast, saturation, and tone to make your photos pop without looking artificial. Unlike basic auto-enhance features in other software, Luminar's Enhance AI recognizes different elements in your image, distinguishing between skies, foliage, buildings, and human subjects, and applies appropriate adjustments to each area. Sky AI is nothing short of magical. We've all captured that perfect moment only to be disappointed by a bland gray sky. Rather than spending hours with complex selections and masks, Sky AI can replace or enhance skies with a single click. The AI analyzes your image to create precise edge detection and automatically adjusts the lighting and color of your foreground to match the new sky, creating a seamless, natural-looking result. It even reflects the new sky and water bodies, a detail that would take significant time and skill to achieve manually. Structure AI takes detail enhancement to a new level. Traditional clarity tools often create harsh edges and unnatural textures, especially on skin. Structure AI, however, intelligently identifies what needs enhancement and what should be preserved. It can bring out the rugged texture of mountain ranges or architectural details while keeping skin tones smooth and natural, something that would require complex masking and separate adjustments in other programs. Relight AI addresses one of photography's most challenging aspects: balancing light across different parts of an image. Instead of struggling with multiple adjustment layers and masks, Relight AI lets you independently adjust lighting in the foreground and background. It can brighten shadows or tone down highlights in specific areas while maintaining a natural look. This tool alone can save hours of editing time per image, especially for landscape and real estate photographers. Face AI and Skin AI deliver professional quality portrait retouching with minimal effort. Face AI automatically identifies facial features and can subtly enhance eyes, lips, and facial structure without creating that over-processed plastic look common in automated portrait editing. Skin AI goes beyond simple smoothing by analyzing skin texture and preserving natural pores and details while removing blemishes and evening out skin tone. Body AI offers thoughtful body proportion adjustments that maintain natural appearances. Unlike some controversial apps that promote unrealistic body standards, Luminar Neo's body AI focuses on subtle, respectful enhancements, fixing posture issues, slightly slimming areas that might appear distorted due to lens choice, and creating more flattering silhouettes without crossing into unrealistic territory. One standout feature that deserves special attention is Portrait Bokeh AI, a game changer for portrait photographers who don't own expensive fast lenses. This intelligent tool analyzes your image to precisely separate the subject from the background, then applies a natural-looking bokeh effect that rivals what you'd achieve with professional glass, costing thousands of dollars. Unlike manual blurring tools that create unnatural edges or miss fine details like hair, Portrait Bokeh AI creates accurate depth maps that respect complex outlines and even considers varying distances within the image. The customization options let you control bokeh intensity, highlight shapes, and fall-off characteristics, mimicking different lens characteristics from smooth and creamy to more defined and artistic. Many photographers are finding they can achieve studio-quality separation effects with smartphone photos or images taken using kit lenses. This feature alone demonstrates how Luminar Neo democratizes advanced photography techniques, letting your creativity, not your gear budget, determine your image quality. Noiseless AI tackles one of photography's most common challenges: noise in low-light images. Unlike traditional noise reduction that often creates a smudged watercolor effect, Noiseless AI distinguishes between noise and actual image detail. The result is cleaner images that maintain sharpness and texture where it matters, breathing new life into photos you might have otherwise discarded. Luminar Neo strikes an impressive balance between powerful processing and responsive performance. On mid-range hardware, i5 or i7 processor, 16 gigabytes RAM, the software runs smoothly even when working with large raw files. The AI processing does require some computing power, but Skylum has optimized Neo to utilize your GPU for faster rendering, significantly reducing wait times compared to previous versions. The catalog management system handles large libraries efficiently, with quick filtering and search capabilities that make organizing thousands of images manageable. For maximum performance, Skylum recommends at least 8 gigabytes RAM, an i7 processor or equivalent, and a dedicated graphics card with 4 gigabytes VRAM. However, even on more modest systems, the software remains usable with only slightly longer processing times for the most intensive AI features. When compared to Adobe Lightroom, Luminar Neo's most significant advantage is its AI-powered workflow. While Lightroom has gradually incorporated some AI features, they feel more like add-ons rather than integral parts of the editing experience. Luminar Neo was built from the ground up with AI at its core, resulting in a more cohesive and intuitive approach to automated editing. Lightroom's catalog management and raw processing capabilities are still industry-leading, but Luminar Neo has closed the gap significantly. Where Neo truly pulls ahead is in creative editing. Tasks like sky replacement, portrait retouching, and atmospheric effects that would require jumping to Photoshop and creating complex masks can be accomplished with a few clicks in Luminar Neo. Beyond Adobe's offerings, Luminar Neo also outshines competitors like On1 Photo Raw and Capture One in terms of AI integration. While these programs offer excellent raw processing and traditional editing tools, none match Luminar Neo's combination of automated intelligence and creative possibilities. Luminar Neo's strengths are clear: revolutionary AI tools that simplify complex editing tasks, an intuitive interface accessible to photographers of all skill levels, and a one-time purchase option that frees you from subscription fatigue. The software also offers impressive creative possibilities that would require multiple specialized programs or plugins and other workflows. However, no software is perfect. Some of Luminar Neo's more advanced AI features require significant processing power, which might strain older systems. The catalog management, while improved, still doesn't match Lightroom's robust library features for photographers managing tens of thousands of images. And while the one-time purchase option is attractive, major updates may require additional purchases, potentially adding costs over time. After extensively testing Luminar Neo, it's clear that Skylum has created something truly special: a photo editing software that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to deliver professional results with unprecedented ease. Whether you're a beginner looking to elevate your photos without a steep learning curve or a professional seeking to streamline your workflow, Luminar Neo offers tools that will transform how you approach editing. If you're tired of complex editing processes and monthly subscription fees, Luminar Neo represents not just an alternative, but a genuine evolution in photo editing. The time you'll save with its AI tools alone justifies the investment, not to mention the creative possibilities it opens up. Ready to revolutionize your photo editing? I've arranged an exclusive discount for viewers of this channel. Visit the link in the description and use promo code OUTBUZZ10 at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase of Luminar Neo. This offer is limited time, so don't miss your chance to transform your editing workflow for less. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more software reviews and photography tips. Drop a comment below with any questions about Luminar Neo or to share your own experiences with the software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.